Hey little yogis, we're so happy you're here with us. If you enjoy moving and breathing together, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more yoga fun. Today we'll move our bodies, take calm breaths, and enjoy gentle yoga poses to help us feel happy and relaxed. Grab your mat, take a slow deep breath, and let's begin. Sit tall, relax your body, breathe calmly. Bend forward softly, let your body rest. Curl up gently and feel safe. Stretch to the side, stay calm. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Flap your wings slowly and relax. Drop your head and relax your neck. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Hang down gently like a doll. Stand tall and feel peaceful. Stretch up and lean softly. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Be a calm and steady tree. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Rest your legs and feel calm. Rock gently like a happy baby. Hug your knees and feel cozy. Stretch your arms forward and relax your back. Stretch your shoulders softly and breathe. Switch side. Switch side. Switch side. Lie still, relax, and rest. Amazing work, yoga friends. You did a wonderful job moving, stretching, and breathing today. If you enjoyed our yoga time together, remember to like the video and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. You can share this video with your friends and invite them to join us next time. Now take one big deep breath in and a slow, gentle breath out. Smile, relax, and feel proud of yourself. See you again very soon. Bye-bye, yoga friends.